Construction has shaped the world around us, from towering skyscrapers to ancient wonders that still stand today. While we often see buildings going up, the process behind them is full of fascinating secrets, unusual techniques, and record-breaking achievements. Here are 10 incredible facts about construction that most people don't know. Before we dive into today's facts, take a moment to leave a like on this video. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to create even more interesting content. If you don't enjoy the video, you can always take your like back later. Now, sit back and enjoy. Fact 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Built around 2,560 BC, it stood at 146 meters, 479 feet, until the Lincoln Cathedral in England surpassed it in 1311. What's even more surprising is that the pyramid was built with such precision that modern engineers are still unsure how the ancient Egyptians achieved it without advanced technology. Fact 2. The fastest-built skyscraper in the world was completed in just 19 days. The Mini Sky City in China, a 57-story building, was constructed using prefabricated modular sections that were assembled at an astonishing rate of 3 floors per day. This method of construction is becoming more popular as it drastically reduces building time and waste. Fact 3. Concrete is the most widely used material on Earth, second only to water. Every year, the world produces over 4 billion tons of concrete, which is enough to build a 2-meter-high wall around the entire planet. Its durability and versatility make it essential for almost every modern structure. Fact 4. Dubai's Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, required an enormous amount of materials. To construct its 828-meter, 2,717-foot height, engineers used 330,000 cubic meters of concrete, 39,000 tons of steel, and 103,000 square meters of glass. If all the aluminum used in the Burj Khalifa were melted down, it could make 5 Airbus A380 airplanes. Fact 5. Ancient Roman concrete is stronger than modern concrete. The Romans developed a special formula using volcanic ash, which makes their structures more resistant to erosion. Unlike today's concrete, which can deteriorate in a few decades, Roman structures like the Pantheon and aqueducts have lasted for over 2,000 years, and scientists are still studying their secret formula. Fact 6. The longest bridge in the world, the Danyang-Kunshan Grand Bridge in China, stretches an incredible 164.8 kilometers, 102.4 miles. It was built in just 4 years, using 10,000 workers and 450,000 tons of steel. The bridge is designed to withstand earthquakes, typhoons, and even direct hits from naval vessels. Fact 7. Some of the tallest buildings in the world can actually sway up to 2 meters, 6 feet, in strong winds. This movement isn't noticeable to people inside because of advanced engineering techniques such as tuned mass dampers, which counterbalance the sway to keep the structure stable. Without these innovations, extreme wind pressure could make tall buildings unsafe. Fact 8. The most expensive building ever constructed is the Abraj Al Bait Towers in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. The complex, which includes the Makkah Royal Clock Tower, cost over $15 billion to build. It houses hotels, shopping malls, and prayer halls, serving millions of pilgrims every year. Fact 9. There's a house made entirely of newspaper in Rockport, Massachusetts. Built in 1922 by a man named Eli Stedman, the house is constructed using layers of newspapers glued together with homemade paste. Amazingly, it has withstood the test of time for over 100 years, proving that unconventional materials can sometimes be just as durable as traditional ones. Fact 10. Some modern skyscrapers self-heal thanks to special concrete that repairs its own cracks. This living concrete contains bacteria that activate when exposed to water, filling in cracks automatically. This innovation could dramatically increase the lifespan of buildings and infrastructure, reducing the need for costly repairs in the future. Thanks for watching until the end. Let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most, and suggest topics for our next videos. The most liked comment will be featured in a future episode, and we'll create a video based on your idea. See you next time!